Beth. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Quizlet to make a pre-test. So for this unit, you're on unit 4. It's called Mi cumpleaños, which means my birthday. So for the pre-test in this unit, what I want you to do is you're going to click on the link to get to Quizlet, and you're going to see this page here. If you scroll down, you can see the first flashcard, and then you can scroll down and see all the vocabulary that's going to be in this unit. Okay, you also are going to have the packet with the vocabulary, but this is so that you can practice it because you need to learn. There's 55 words. There's numbers 0 to 31, and there's months of the year, and then there's just how to say my name is as a review, how to say my birthday is, and then the question, ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? But before you even do anything else, I want you to create a test. So you're going to click this tab here that says test, and it says question max. You're going to type in 55 right here. You're going to answer with English. And then here you can choose what you want to answer with. I just don't want you to do written, so make sure written is unchecked. But let's say you like true-false questions, you can choose that. Multiple choice I would recommend because you'll probably have that on the final mastery check for the unit. And then matching is okay. It's not my favorite, but I'm gonna just check it, like leave it like this. There are more options that you can check if you go to options, but I'm gonna go ahead and start the test. And so here is the test. And there are some more options up here in this window. So it looks like it's the same thing. More grading options. We're gonna answer with English, so you're gonna see Spanish. You're gonna see Spanish and answer with English. So let's see what grading options are. You can click on typo help. That might be helpful. Okay, so I'm going to start my create test. And so then here we've got 17. Is this, so this one's a little confusing. It's new, but 17, is it 27? Is that true or false? I'm going to say it's false. 26, is that 26? I think it's false. 31, oh yeah, true. Okay, so you're just going to go through and check your answers, read it, and then over here. So this is what the true false looks like. And if you don't like true false, then you can choose not to do true false. I'm going to see if I can find some multiple choice here. Okay, so here's a multiple choice question. It says 24, and you can hear it too.
24.
So yeah, the nice thing about Quizlet is it will say words for you. So 24, my guess is 24. 11, 11. Me llamo, my name is. Okay, so some of the stuff you already will know, so you're going to do amazing. So we're going to scroll down, and then I'm going to see if I can find the matching. I kind of don't like the matching because it's, let's see, click a definition to match. I don't get it. Oh, okay, so you have to go down here to this word bank. So 7, that's 7. Oh, I guess you click and you click on there. Oh, that's weird. 4, and then why didn't 4 go in? It's right there. And then octubre, October. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't like this matching. It's kind of annoying. So I'm gonna just submit what I have and see what happens. Submit test. So what you're gonna have to do is make a screenshot of your score. Okay, so do your screenshot, and then you're going to submit that in Canvas. Okay, so after you're done doing that submitting, you go back here and you're going to practice different activities with all of these numbers and months. You can't do classic live or checkpoint. Those are whole class activities, so you need to do the self-study activities. You can do flashcards, learn, and you just did a test. You can do matching, or you can try Q chat. I'm not going to go through each of these. I want you to explore the different tools to help you learn, and then you're going to tell me which ones you liked and if you think they helped you learn. And then when you're done practicing, you can do another pre-test to see how well you learned things. Doing pre-test or doing tests, just quizzing yourself all the time, it's a great way to learn also. All right, so this is the video on how to create a test in Quizlet and how to use some of the different features, although you're going to explore the self-study activities on your own. So I'm going to wish you luck, and gracias. Have a great day.